Hello and welcome to this session in which we will discuss mechanics liens and artisans liens. Those are legal tools to make sure that those who work on or provide material for a property get paid for their services. So these liens, these type of holds are critical in the construction and repair industries, providing legal mechanism to ensure professionals and suppliers are compensated for their work and material. Think about if you took your car for repair, you took it to a garage, they repaired the car, you decided not to pay them. Well, guess what? They will hold your car until you pay, or if you don't pay altogether, they might sell it and get paid. So this is the type of liens that we are looking at here. Let's go ahead and discuss those liens real quick. Before we proceed any further, I have a public announcement about my company, FarhatLectures.com. Farhat Accounting Lectures is a supplemental educational tool that's going to help you with your CPA exam preparation as well as your accounting courses. My CPA material is aligned with your CPA review course such as Becker, Roger, Wiley, Gleam, Miles. My accounting courses are aligned with your accounting courses broken down by chapter and topics. My resources consist of lectures, multiple choice questions, true-false questions, as well as exercises. Go ahead, start your free trial today. First, mechanics and artisans lien. These are legal claims against a property by mechanics, artisans, or similar professionals. Think about someone fixing your iPhone. You would say this is an artisan, right? Who have worked on and improved or repaired that property. The key aspect of these liens is they are possessory. It means the person that's doing the repair is in possession of your items. They only exist as the professional, as the repair person, retain the property in their hands. If the property owner doesn't pay for services or repairs, the professional can either sell the property to recover their cost or sue the owner. For example, you placed a a valuable necklace for repairs. Until the repair bill is paid, the jeweler has a lien on the necklace and can retain it. If the owner does not pay, the jeweler can eventually sell it to recover their repair cost. We also have something called Materialman lien. Well, this type of lien is used by contractors or suppliers who provide material and labor for improvement of real property like building and land. To enforce this lien, the contractor must file a notice with the local recorder of deeds. So simply put, you supply material, or you're a contractor, you work on a building, and the owner of that building decided not to pay you. Again, the lien is not a possessory here, it's a claim against the property itself, ensuring the contractor gets paid. So here what you want to do is, look, I'm putting a lien on the property, a hold, because I want to be paid. That's why you will file a notice with the local recorder. An example will be a contract supplies bricks for constructing a house. If the homeowner does not pay for the material, the contractor can file a materialman lien. These liens make sure the contractor has a legal claim against the property until they are paid, potentially leading to legal action or forcing the sale of the property under certain circumstances to satisfy the debt. And this is basically what our materialman liens are. You just want to learn a little bit more about this if you're studying for the CPA exam. Complete multiple choice questions to get comfortable with these topics. Those are easy points. Invest in yourself. Good luck, study hard, and of course, stay safe.